Welcome to the fifth module in the Maps and Atlas Discovery Workshop, titled Searching for Maps and Atlases in Omni. In this module, you will learn how to use the library's search portal, Omni, to locate atlases, books about maps and cartography, and print maps at the York Map Library. An atlas is a collection of maps usually bound together. At York University Libraries, we have a large collection including international atlases in many diverse languages, as well as ones profiling the Canadian context, from national to provincial to city-specific subjects. Thematic atlases are included, such as those depicting visualized subjects relating to ecology, the environment, economics, history, cultural studies, or linguistics. For any subject related to a location in our world, there probably will be a related print map. Omni, the library's primary search interface, makes it easy to find atlases by using a keyword search. For example, if you are looking for an atlas of Ukraine, simply type in Atlas, Ukraine. As the example shows, the search returns over 1,500 results, most of which are not atlases. So use the facet on the left-hand sidebar to filter to only holdings within the map library's collection. Now, with the map library filter applied, we are shown 10 results, all of which are physical copies of atlases on Ukraine in the map library. By clicking the title of an entry, you can find out more information about the publication and its location in the library collection. The record shown for the publication titled Ukraine, a Historical Atlas, indicates that it is located in the map library, which is on the first floor of Scott Library. Then in the map stacks, which are the bookshelves at the back of the library. The string of characters after that, starting with G2151, is the call number for that individual resource. In this case, an atlas. And it identifies a specific resource and location within the stacks. With the call number, you can locate the individual atlas you are looking for. The library's shelves are all labeled at the side with the range of call numbers on that group of shelves to make it easy to locate the atlas of your choice. In the map library, we also have numerous books related to maps and cartography. We have gazetteers, which are indexes for place names, and geographical dictionaries. You can use either to look up variations in the spellings of place names, find the precise location of a geographic place using latitude or longitude coordinates, and learn about how the place name came to be. Gazetteers are particularly useful to historians, genealogists, and researchers doing environmental assessments. There are also books on cartography, as well as on the history of cartography and map making. We also have books on geographic information systems, or GIS, map librarianship, even titles covering science fiction, cinematic, or fantasy worlds. To locate the books that are available in the map library, you can use the Omni search interface. For example, if you are looking for books on cartography, you can do a simple keyword search for cartography and filter to just the books available in the map stacks. You can then use the subject facet on the left menu to filter the results. such as if you want results just for cartographic history. Click on any title to find out more information and to find the location of the resource in the collection. We have over 100,000 maps in the York Library collection. Most are in the map library, but some historical original maps are also in the Clara Thompson Archives and Special Collections located on the 3rd floor of Scott Library. To locate maps in the collection, Omni is again a great resource. To search for maps, use the advanced search link from the library homepage. This will bring us to a new page that will allow us to search only for maps as a resource type. Then search for locations as subjects, meaning that everything retrieved will be about this location, in our case, Toronto. Omni returns 877 results for maps with Toronto as a subject. If you only want maps that are available in the map library, you can also add the additional filter for the York University Libraries facet, which offers 289 results. This then excludes maps that are available online and printed maps in other locations like the Clara Thomas Archives and Special Collections, which can be accessed by appointment only. You could also try to limit to certain types of maps, like a topographic map of Toronto, by adding more keywords. In this example, we want to search for all variants of the term, such as topography or topographic or topographies. So we use an asterisk at the end of the root word. While most of the print maps in the map library are searchable through the Omni search interface, there are some maps that are not included. All maps are arranged by geographic area. So if you are looking for maps of Toronto, those maps are all grouped together. This topographic map of metropolitan Toronto uses a call number starting with G for the broad subject of geography, then the number 3524 for the geographic area covering southern Ontario, and the third line, T61, which is the code indicating that the localized area is Toronto. Thus, other maps that start with G, 3524, T61 will also be about Toronto, and they will all be in similar areas of the library. As well, all individual maps or maps in a series are listed in the Map Library's Holdings List binders. The maps listed are arranged by call number and geographical area. So while the Holdings List doesn't have the search capabilities of Omni, the Holdings List will help you find maps on a similar location. The Holdings Lists are located in binders at the entrance of the map library as shown, or online as PDFs. You can learn more about everything in this presentation, including accessing the online holdings lists, through the Maps and Atlases Library Research Guide, accessible from the library homepage by selecting Research Guides.